So this is the look that we're going to be doing today. Get into it. Look at the back. Can you see it? So I am at Kai's salon and we're about to get this hair did. So if you like to see how he achieved this look, then stay tuned. Pick up yourselves. Bye, cheese.
Period.
Period. Hear me. So can we just get into this wig, get into everything, also get into the fact that my hair is growing. I just washed it, so it just looks very like dry and weird, but that's okay. That's literally how it stays, and then like after 2 days it becomes all silky and smooth, I think. Yeah, it does work that way. Also, by the way, this stylist is Dior Touch. If you've noticed him, he's been in my videos for years and years, being an assistant to another hairdresser. Now he's doing his own thing and he's doing amazing. So I had to come to him for this style because he was thinking, Shan, we need to do this, we need to get this done. So he's going to show you step by step how he actually installs the style. He has already tinted this wig in the space of like a day, and he plucked the edges and he bleached the knots. He added a toner on this hair to get rid of any of the yellow that's on it. So I definitely say to get like a purple toner for your blonde wigs, just to get that tone and that color to like sit really nicely with your skin, or you're just going to look like the Simpsons. But yeah, it wasn't that yellow when I got it anyway. So yeah, just apply the lace glue, and he does this above, like below my hairline, so it's not touching anything. And it was so much easier to take off, guys, so much easier. So what he's doing now, he's just going to lay the wig, and then we're going to come back and sort out the style properly. Yes, can you see the edges? What lace? So first and foremost, he's using mousse to get the style going. So first he's going to part out where he's going to be doing the mini bangs, the two pieces at the side. So he just took out like a little small section, not too much hair, nothing too chunky, just enough. And then he's also going to be doing 3 sides. So the first bit would be the top bit, and then he's going to put the 2 sides afterwards with a parting in each bit, just so that it kind of looks like, you know, something more complicated than what it actually is. So just pay close attention to exactly what he's doing, guys. I am actually going to retry this hairstyle again with this wig, and I think it'll work out because it actually came out quite simple, and it actually is simpler than it actually looks. It's just all about the skills, guys, and the mousse. once you've actually parted out everything, can you see like what he's trying to do and the definition? He will go over that with some concealer just to make sure the line is properly set out. But first he's just using some rubber bands and he's just making sure that the hair is together, tight, ready. Then he's also focusing on the parts, plucking it, make sure that it's more prominent. He's put the concealer, also straightening the back of the hair. I personally feel like I could have done even more straightening, but still it was great. I'm just being picky because he did such a good job. I'm trying to find something to say, Kai, that's like, yeah, improve there somehow, but you're doing so well. So yes, I was actually quite impressed. I sometimes just don't know what's going to be happening, how I'm going to look. I just trust the process. So yes, so the back of the hair, he's just twisting it around. Well, he's doing like a little knot and then twist it around, and then he's just going to put the rubber bands around it. So simple, the bun, and it made like a really cute pattern in the end. So yes, just put the rubber band around it. Really, come on Kai, you got this. Come on Kai, come on Kai, come on Kai. Yes, nice. Look at the bun, really cute. Then you take the little squiggly bits, and then you just tease that at the top to give it something. I don't know what, but it gives it something, and I was feeling it. So the next bits that we're going to do is literally the sides, because what edges though, sis, come on. So the sides, we're gonna cut them, straighten them up, and literally the style is finito, like easy, right? Look at my hair. This is giving everything it's meant to give. This wig is from Yolissa hair. I love the color, I love the highlights. Kai actually toned it just to get rid of some of the yellow. This looks amazing. Kai did a brilliant job.
Andy.
Thank you.
No
Look
problem.
at the bun, sis.
Yes.
Like, guys, if you want to try out this look, I definitely say try out this style with this color. It's fire. All the information for Yolissa's hair will be down in the description bar below. I hope you like this hair. Also, everything about this wig will also be in the description bar, and also Kai's details will also be down there. Please hit him up, cause sis, DM him. Yes. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in my next one.